Creating high-converting Mailchimp landing pages is simpler than you think, and in this video, I'm going to walk you through exactly how to do it. Stick around to the end, because I'm going to reveal a secret that can give your landing pages a huge edge and boost your conversion rates. You can actually use Mailchimp for free with an exclusive bonus through the first link below, so make sure you check that out after watching. Alright, let's dive into the first thing you should know, the importance of simplicity. One of the biggest mistakes people make is cluttering up their landing pages. You want to keep things clean, with a clear, singular focus. Too many options distract potential customers. Keep your landing page simple, direct, and easy to navigate. Next thing, make sure your headline grabs attention and is clear about the value you're offering. Your headline should address the problem your audience faces and immediately offer a solution. If you're using Mailchimp, take advantage of their pre-designed templates that let you easily create attention-grabbing headlines. Remember, the headline sets the tone for the entire landing page, so make it count. The third thing you need to consider is adding a strong call to action, or CTA. Whether you're trying to get visitors to sign up for a newsletter or download a free guide, your CTA should be clear, concise, and action-oriented. Mailchimp makes it easy to customize your CTA buttons, so choose words like "Get Started" or "Download Now" to prompt immediate action. Next thing is imagery. Visuals can make or break your landing page. Use high-quality, relevant images that connect with your audience's emotions. Mailchimp's drag-and-drop builder allows you to add images quickly. Just make sure the images aren't too overwhelming. They should complement your message, not overshadow it. Now, let's talk about mobile optimization. A high percentage of visitors will see your landing page on a mobile device, so make sure your Mailchimp landing pages are responsive. Luckily, Mailchimp automatically optimizes landing pages for mobile, but always check that the text and images look great on smaller screens too. Next up, test your landing page before launching. Mailchimp offers A/B testing features, which allow you to test two versions of your page and see which one performs better. This is crucial for optimizing your conversions. Run tests on things like headlines, CTAs, and images to find out what resonates best with your audience. The final thing you need to remember is the importance of follow-up. Once someone submits their info, you want to continue engaging with them. You can use Mailchimp's automation tools to send a series of emails, like a thank you message or an exclusive offer. This keeps potential customers engaged and nurtures them down the sales funnel. Before I wrap up, let me remind you that Mailchimp is an incredible tool for creating high-converting landing pages, and if you want to use it for free with some awesome bonuses, don't forget to click the first link in the description below. By following these tips, you'll be well on your way to creating landing pages that convert. And as promised, make sure you check out the extended free trial available through that link. Thanks for watching, and good luck with your landing pages.